The Active Learning Ecosystem, Energizing 2026 to 2027 classrooms with whiteboard walls. What if the most powerful learning tool in your classroom isn't a screen, but the wall? Whiteboard walls turn static classrooms into active learning ecosystems, where every student can stand, sketch, solve, and contribute. Instead of one intimidating board at the front, the entire room becomes a shared canvas for low-stakes experimentation and peer collaboration. Movement supports engagement. Students can map timelines, visualize complex concepts, and step back to see the bigger picture. For educators, this means flexible spaces that support STEM labs, literature discussions, tutoring, and faculty brainstorming, all in one room. Whiteboard walls don't just upgrade a classroom. They help create a future-ready culture where every learner has room to think. Call us at 800-936-2159 and speak with a friendly coding specialist. Or visit us at remarkablecoding.com.